In this video I will be doing the unboxing of some Bluetooth earphones. I choose these ones because they were the cheapest Bluetooth 5 earphones, and at the same time they have a compact design. It's not those big earphones. It's this model, and this is the case. To charge the earphones, there are some extra replacement, different sizes, and here are earphones itself. I thought that they were a bit smaller, but they are still compact. I will be testing the sound quality in the future to see if they are good, if they don't have interference that you normally get from Bluetooth devices. But I think that's all, and I will be showing more in the future. So think about subscribing and giving a like if you want more videos like this one.